So Alhamdulillah, rain came here in Najran City, Al Shurfa. You know, we are waiting for this, and look at that. It's Mia Mia. So my friend, how is rain today? Look at the camera. How is the rain?
It's very nice.
Very nice, huh? This is very rare, you know, and we are all excited to have this kind of rain, especially here in Saudi Arabia.
Yes,
So,
yes.
are you happy?
Alhamdulillah.
You know, the feeling when there is rain, everything is okay.
So happy.
So I'm so happy. Alhamdulillah.
You happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. I don't know why, but maybe the rain, the effect of rain.
Alhamdulillah.
So how about the thing, sir?
Okay, look, focus. Say hi.
Hi!
Are you happy?
Yes!
Hey, my friend, what are you thinking? What's on your mind? Wow, we just had that rain, and my hair are still wet. I don't know, but rain, we are all excited. Maybe because we are here in Saudi Arabia, and we rarely experience raining, so that's why. But I don't know, it brings happiness whenever there is rain. For some people, it brings sadness, but for us, it brings happiness, and that is something worth keeping. So I hope you enjoyed watching my videos about raining here in Saudi Arabia. And hopefully you can come here, you can experience also the feeling of having rain here in Saudi Arabia. So that's all. Thank you so much, and Masalam.